Open up the champagne, pop. It's mine.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make thumbnails on mobile. Yeah, so these are the 3 apps that you're going to need. You're going to need Fonto, YouTube Studio, and YouTube. That's all you're going to need. So I'm going to use an example for a video. Alright, so first, go to Fonto. Click on the camera. Click plain image. Click on this black crap. Sorry. You can design it. Just do whatever I really want. You can do whatever you want. Do that. And make sure here, click on the numbers. And then it's gonna say width 1280. Here, height 720. Rest I won't work. Go there. Click anywhere you want, and click and do what you want to do, basically. So I'm gonna do how to make a thumb. I think I say nail using Fonto. On mobile. There. Do that. Then you could size it. Well, you don't have to write what I wrote. I'll fix this later, though. I know I look stupid. We're gonna write whatever you want. Click save image here. That's, oh wait, no. You gotta click OK. So pop up the ad, that doesn't matter. So you're gonna go to YouTube. Go to the record thing right here. And then just wait for it to load a bit. Oh, what's going on here? Okay. Hello everybody. So you're gonna find the videos that you want. Just upload it. I'm not gonna upload it. And then I'm not gonna upload it though. Just go, and then after it's uploaded, go to YouTube Studio. Go there. And then go to videos. And then it's going to show the videos. So use testing. Edit thumbnail. Custom. Use that. Select. Save. Then there you go. That's how you make a thumbnail. And if this did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And have a great one.